Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays, and feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. So today I'm trying the new Caramel M&M's Popped. Now these are freeze-dried caramel M&M's, similar to the Skittles Popped flavors I tried before. I imagine these are gonna be good. You know, I can't imagine them being awful, but I do have my bucket handy just in case. I picked these up at Walmart. Well, they don't smell bad, but it is caramel M&M's, so they obviously don't look overly appetizing, but different. They taste good, though. They have kind of a light and airy quality to them. Not sure I like them more than regular caramel M&M's, though. They are good, though. A little crumbly, though. Yeah, a little crumbly, so they don't go down the throat quite as nicely. But yeah, I don't hate them. Probably won't go out of my way to get them again, though. But I do hope everyone enjoyed this taste test. I will be back with another soon. Till next time, though, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.